Hey guys, it's Monday and we're getting started already on the gate and all that. First thing we got to do is we got to go to the home store. This is a rail from the kitchen drawers. I need to get 2 of these. The first one that broke a couple of years ago, just ignored it. Wasn't a drawer we used very much. Had Jello in it, so who cares. This was the one we keep the silverware in, so it became an emergency. Other than that, we're going to get some paint for the gate, and that's what we're going to do today. We're going to do some sanding, grinding, getting it ready to paint it. I should be able to put the first coat on the gate today, and hopefully get started on the planters as well. So, alright, good times. Let's get started. Good morning, people. I painted the gate last night. It's still out there hanging, dry. Well, it's dry, but it needs a few. It may need another coat of paint, so I'm gonna go down and get some more, another quart of bright white for it. And before I do that, because I'm gonna make one trip, feed the boys, myself, so we'll do that during our lunch trip. Gonna grind these planters. I forgot that I needed to make a support for the bottom, because it's just sheet metal. It's just real thin sheet metal that's gonna line it, so I gotta put a support on the bottom to hold the weight of the soil. So that's just a piece of square tube, little 1-inch square tube. I'll run in there and tack it in place. After I'm done grinding those, we're gonna start making the sheet metal. So hopefully I should be able to get the planters ground. Let's see. Gonna get the planters ground, sanded, ready for paint. Another coat of paint on the gate, and the liners built for the planters. So we got a big day today. If the gate looks good enough and is dry by tonight or by tomorrow, we'll go install the gate. Good times. The planters probably won't be ready, but at least I can get the gate installed. The planters, they just get dropped off, so I'm not filling them with dirt and putting plants in them, so that's good. So let's get started. Time for an update. Well, I pretty well finished grinding and sanding on the planters. I'm going to do a little bit more sanding on that one. I got the little cross member on the bottom welded in. Let's see what else. Oh, went and had our lunch, got some more paint, put the second coat of paint on the gate. So looking good. Nice smooth coat of white, shiny white. Very bright white. I think what I'm going to do is, I guess I'm going to start shearing some sheet metal for these liners. So see if that piece of junk from Harbor Freight will cut some 20 gauge like it says it's supposed to. I don't believe it, but maybe it will. That's all I got for you today. That's all the fab anyways. Tomorrow morning, installing the gate, hopefully, barring anything unforeseen. Get back, we'll finish the liners for the planters. And hopefully start painting them. So, till tomorrow. Oh, it's Wednesday morning. I got my assistant right here. We're gonna go install the gate. And it's loaded up on the back of the truck. We got our tools. We're ready to go. So, let's get started. Hey guys. Well, that trip was an epic fail. I screwed up. I took the measurements and I had them, and I didn't double check before I went to install the gate. Everything else is fine. The gate, the latch side, the panel that goes on the latch side, but this panel here, which is the hinge side, which holds the gate up, which makes it where I couldn't really get anything done, interferes with the wall. The way this house is, there's stucco walls, comes down, and they built a ledge that comes out and then down and then back in, and then there's like a facade, like a fake brick facade, and the gate. That's why there's this offset in the gate to begin with. Well, dummy me, I didn't double check. I didn't double check the numbers after I located the pickets. I didn't double check to make sure the clearance was right. So this picket here lines up dead into the into that little offset. I felt sick. I wanted to cry. Well, maybe, but crying's not going to fix it. So I gave it a lot of consideration about how to fix the problem. Wasn't really sure what would be the least contrived, and what I decided is we're just going to cut this section out of this picket. So we're going to cut here. I made 2 marks. I went back and made marks where to cut. So I'm just going to cut it here and here. Pull this section out. We're going to cap both ends and re-weld it, and that should do it. Repaint the ends. That should cause the least amount of damage to the paint. And then tonight, I got to go back out that area anyway, so tonight I'll go back and I'll be able to install it. So that's just the way life is. So even though it still kind of makes me a little nauseous to think about it. So let's get that cut off. Okay. All right. Hey, YouTube people. All right, this is my friend Armando. We call him Mondo. Known him for 34 years. Yeah. Yeah, long time. We're gonna play. We're gonna have fun. This is something that I built several years ago. It's a small air cannon. I built it with it's a piston valve, and there's nothing in it, at least I hope not, but anyways, yeah. So we're actually planning on taking a little bit of a holiday on Sunday, the 2 of us, and we're gonna go up into the woods, and we're going to take something with us. We're gonna build some Spud guns, classic Spud guns, chamber, propellant, ignition, boom. So that's what we're going to do right now. We're going to go head out and buy some parts. So let's get started. Yeah, there we go. Home Improvement Warehouse. You got to look like a happy Lowe's customer. Yeah. All right. Theater production. This is reality. This is reality TV.
Live, real for real TV.
For reals TV. That's stuff while I'm working with it. Strap it to the outside?
Well, I was thinking like we could do like a
there, you know. Let's see. Well, let's drive for it. Yeah. Let's go ahead. We can do all this. I don't want to get it too hard.
Yeah, I know, right?
It'll never come apart. Okay, so that's roughly the size. I mean, it's going to be smaller, but... So if we're holding it... Easy.
Is it burning?
Well, you know, I got to
burning,
burning sensation, doctor.
And stinging, and more burning.
That stuff is very, it's solventy.
It's virulent.
It's very virulent. Wow, this is gray. I didn't know I got gray.
You got the gray one?
Right. Yeah, I can't be paper towels, wipe off the schmutz on the outside.
Yeah. What wants to come up?
Mr. Clampett. Is it set?
It's over.
Is it done?
It's done.
We should put some of that on the threads.
Nice.
Okay. All right, pulling through. Take your shirt off, boss. Take it off. It's one of them. I can't get to the other one though. Show it?
Yes, it does. Yeah, you can see it.
Hi.
I can see little sparks at the back.
Yep.
Oh, the one in the back kind of looks cool.
Most of my neighbors, I'll ask them about something that happened, you know, like, did you hear any, no. You sure the air compressor ran all night long? You didn't hear that? No?
Yep.
There. That ought to work. Yeah?
Very good.
Let's glue it together. Oh, we gotta use primer.
Oh,
my. Glufo.
Oh my god! Sucking on a gas tank.
It was huffing out there.
Oh! Oh! We got it! We got it! Oh, we got it! Oh, that's awesome! We got that!
He was talking about a hole.
You were talking about a hole.
Like this.
Man, look out there, guy. That gesture's been banned in 12 countries.
She just about came unglued. And he was about in tears.
Don't do that again.
Holy!
that's it. Our what do we got a name for this?
Spud gun, I guess.
But that's not very.
It's not.
Like Thunder, Mr. Thunder, Dr. Thunder.
Dr. Thunder.
I don't know. Walmart might have an issue with that.
Maybe.
Boomstick.
The boomstick.
The boomstick.
No.
So far. It's been setting itself off with the fumes from the cement and the primer and that crap. So the first time it did it was a little bit of a surprise. When it did it again, it made a really loud explosion. It was very, very noisy.
Like a 5-foot flame.
Fine. Well. Anyway, have a few more things to do to it to finish it up. He's got to get out of here, so while he's gone and behind the scenes, we'll doctor this up. Come Sunday, we're going up to the hills and we're going to shoot this thing off. We're going to get a bag of potatoes or 2 or 3 or anything else we need. Oh, we need a propellant. What are we going to use? Carb cleaner?
Carb cleaner, probably.
Carb cleaner. So anyways, that's it for today. So till tomorrow. Bye. So it's Friday. Not really doing a whole lot of anything. Well, I am doing things productive. I've been working in the house on the video because of the length of these videos and the amount of editing and stuff like that. It takes actually quite a while to put them together, and the software that I'm using I don't think is the best quality. It's okay, but it doesn't manage its memory very well, so every once in a while it'll just stop. I never lose any changes. It just stops and I have to start it back up, reload. It takes a while. Anyways, today I think it's already pretty late today. I did some more work on the Spud gun, the potato cannon. I have some more things to do to it before we take off to go shoot it. I'm going to go mow the lawn right now. It's kind of springtime-ish, and it's starting to get to where I'm going to have to start taking care of the yard. I've got a lot of weeds growing in that plant, in that flower bed, well, all of them, and a lot of grass and stuff. So I really need to get to work on trying to take care of the yard like somebody cares for it, you know. But right now I'm going to mow the lawn. So if I've got time, I'm going to clear off my welding table, and then we're going to continue to work on the liners for the planters. And the planters are all I really have left on that project. I don't have anything really lined up that's really interesting. So although I did drive the Falcon today, and I'm thinking the Falcon may be coming up pretty quick. I was thinking the Falcon may be a few weeks out, but you know, another month or 2 out. But it's kind of sad. So, anyways, let's mow the lawn. Finally, they're starting to look like something. It's Sunday. That's pretty much what I'm doing. I just, you know, massaging these into fitting as the liners. Paint them, put these back in, tack them, and then seal them, and they're done. So tomorrow morning. Oh wait, this is Saturday. I said it was Sunday. Oh no, tomorrow morning, Sunday. We're gonna fire off the thump and out in the hills, and it'll be a fun day tomorrow. So Saturday's a short day. Bye.
Oh no.
But
The road to shoot the potato gun.
Blow! Blow that water!